Hurry, brother. We may get a piece of the chisel and be gone before they even notice. Uh-oh.
Yeah. Boy. Surrender. The All-Father demands it.
No.
Good.
This fight is mine, boy. Go.
And where do you think you're going? Oh no, brother. The little freak's got a bow. What are we gonna do?
Small one's yours, brother. Don't tell me. The big one's mine. I can't remember the last time we faced an actual challenge.
Call this a challenge. An old man and this stillborn...
I'll take the rope squeak. Unbelievable. You mean to oppose the light that? You've got some father. No blind! Get ready!
Can't see!
Stay behind me, boy. Why do you hunt us? What does Odin want?
Oh no, don't care.
Come here, half-breed. You don't know what that is.
Shut up! Don't call me that!
Can't believe you lied at this. Those skinny little arms can barely lift.
I said shut up!
Calm yourself, boy.
Looks like they need another lesson.
More than happy to teach, brother.
Come here, you
I want that. I bet Daddy's embarrassed to have to drag you.
Shut it out. Focus.
Mother ugly or something. She cut up your face if you do.
Don't talk about my mother!
Don't talk about my mommy.
Don't listen to him, lad. Trying to rile you up.
Idiots. Son
A sense of Thor are welcome to try.
Head!
Sorry, overstepped, yeah?
This is my favorite part. Having fun yet? Little rough
Stop it!
Boy, stay focused.
vision. You have no idea. You son of a bitch!
No! Get this gun! Retreat!
Sickness. Fever has returned.
No! It hasn't.
Boy,
The coughing, the blood. The boy's sick, he needs Freya.
No!
steady.
I'll be alright.
There you go, lad.
I'm fine, see?
We should keep an eye on him.
Enough?
Should do. With that, we can carve the travel room to Jotunheim. Get you where you need to go. Oh, incidentally, all those magically sealed doors we've seen can now be unlocked. Like that one round the corner. You can get through that door there now that you've got the chisel.
You killed Mag.